Alright you guys, what is up? Finally we are off to the point where we can now start putting the interior together. I just did a lot of stuff off camera, but it was more kind of tedious things and things I didn't want to film. Man, it's coming along. Everything looks good. That dash, the whole cluster looks good. I am going to put you guys can't see it. Let me see if I can lift it up. I'm going to put a smoked plexiglass over that so you can't really see it. You'll be able to see through, but I also have lenses that are going to cover each individual part of the dash. I think the two outer ones are like a blue and the inside is green, but for now it'll just all be kind of like that turquoise blue that you guys saw previously. So I'm going to go ahead and attack this floor, or at least the carpet. I'm only going to probably put in, I might go ahead and put it in the back too. So it's probably going to be a little bit time consuming just because I have to locate where the holes are for the seats and then the seat belts and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse putting in the holes for the carpet, and I've seen this trick once before where a guy took some heat and like a screwdriver or something like this, like a punch, heated the punch up and then went down in it and kind of made the hole bigger and bigger and bigger because it melted away the carpet. And so I thought that was pretty clever. So I thought, you know, maybe I'll try that. This was a long time ago, and I've always remembered this trick. So I'm actually going to go ahead and try it right now. What I did first is I used a punch to kind of just locate the hole. And then now I'm just going to heat this up. Get it nice and hot. And then I'll be able to enlarge in the hole without trying to battle cutting slits in it and whatnot. So it's already getting hot. Let's see. Yep. Crazy. Working really good too. Lines it right up. I'm gonna do a little more. Man, that works good. There it is, y'all. Got me a hole. Boom. And I already did one already, and that worked really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these off camera, and I'll chime back in with y'all in a second. voyage. That's my old trunk lid. I damaged my other one. Scratched it up. Ooh, she got a little squat on her.